Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today, Microsoft released a new Windows 11 Insider Preview build to the dev channel. After updating, the build number will be 25126. The build is a bit small, but includes a good set of fixes. In October, Microsoft introduced subscription management in settings accounts, which enable to view Microsoft 365 subscriptions in Windows 11. With this build, Microsoft is making it easier to view all supported Office perpetual products, such as Office 2021 or Office 2019, associated with your account within settings accounts. This update will allow you to view all supported Microsoft 365 Office products licensed to your account, and you can view details about your product or install Office by clicking the View Details button. This information is shown on the Microsoft Account Management page, and you will now be able to view these data in Windows 11 via settings accounts as shown in the above screenshot, starting with this build. However, it isn't available to all insiders, as Microsoft will be pushing it on basis of feedback. Talking about the fixes, Microsoft fixed the issue causing some insiders to experience a bug check with the error, driver IRQL not less or equal, in PCI.sys, causing a rollback, trying to install the latest builds in the dev channel. Microsoft also did work to mitigate the issue, causing the Program Compatibility Assistance service to use an unexpectedly large amount of CPU for some insiders, after upgrading to the latest Insider Preview builds in the dev channel. For the Start menu, if the touch keyboard is dot, it should no longer unexpectedly dismiss when trying to edit the name of a folder in Start. For the Search, fix a high-hitting Explorer.exe crash that could happen when using Search. For the Task Manager, if Explorer.exe has hung, that should no longer hang Task Manager. Fix an issue where the context menus weren't following the same mode, light or dark, as Task Manager itself for some insiders. Also, fix a typo in the Minimize on Use tooltip. And, if you've hidden the graphs on the side of the performance page, the color of the circles used instead should now match the graph in the summary view. Also, address an issue where the not responding status for certain apps wasn't being reflected on the processes page. For the settings, the preview image under personalization lock screen should no longer be backward when using an Arabic or Hebrew display language. For the Windows Sandbox, remove the lock option in the Start menu as it didn't work. Talking about the other fixes, Microsoft fixed an issue where using Open All Active Printers from the printer icon in the system tray would unexpectedly open File Explorer when there were no active queues. So, that's all for this build. This build also has some known issues. To more about this build, head to the official Microsoft blog, link is in the description. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.